Welcome to the first step of the YouTube success series. Has a lot of words that kind of strung together pretty well. I impress myself sometimes. All right, so we are going to be working on the plan side. The plan side, similar idea, 4 steps as the whole outline of the process. All right, so first step first is going to be Our first step is going to be our goal. We gotta get a goal, plan a goal. What is the goal you're going for? Our goal here is going to be to complete this video. So that'll be pretty easy. Pretty easy goal. Step two. Going on to two. In the plan phase for YouTube success is going to be your resources and constraints. Sources and constraints. Resources and constraints. That is part of the plan. You gotta know what resources you got and what constraints are involved while you are going for your goal. All right, you know all that stuff. You can go ahead and come along over here to plan your strategy. Alrighty. So now you can plan your strategy based on the resources and constraints and based on that goal. Last step in all of our plan phase is going to be a very important step that keeps us running the same processes, but we monitor and adjust. Monitor and adjust our YouTube plan for our strategy and use our constraints and resources that we planned out to obtain the goal of YouTube success. That's planning. Good job, Ham. I put you to sleep. We're good.